Welcome to Side Hustles and Smart Finance, the channel where we turn ideas into income. From AI hustles to smart finance tips, you'll learn how to build extra income streams and achieve lasting wealth. Because here, we believe AI hustles plus smart finance equals wealth. Hit subscribe and let's grow smarter together. Watch this video till the end. I have a special gift just for you, a free, powerful resource that could be your very first step to building real online income. Don't skip it. It might just change the way you start. Have you ever felt like making money online is only for the young, the tech savvy, or the lucky? You see people posting flashy results, chasing trends, spending hours designing on Canva, or learning complicated tools, and you wonder, is this really for me? I'm Michael, and I want to tell you something different. You don't need to dance on TikTok. You don't need to code. You don't even need endless design skills. What you need is a smart, simple approach, something that works quietly, sustainably, and realistically for real people like you and me. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to make money AI with one of the easiest starting points I know, digital products for beginners. If this sparks something in you, hit like, share, and subscribe, because this might just be the turning point you've been waiting for. A. Why most beginners fail. Let me start with the truth. Too many beginners overcomplicate their first step. They spend weeks fiddling with Canva templates, trying to build the perfect course platform, or learning another shiny tool. And after all that, they never actually launch. I've seen it countless times. A client of mine spent months designing the perfect workbook, stressing about every font and color. She thought that's what made it valuable. But at the end of the day, she never sold it because she never finished it. The secret is this: making money online is not about complexity, it's about clarity. And that's why the simplest digital product, something anyone can create in a weekend, can open the door to freedom. B. The easiest digital product, guides. When I say digital products for beginners, I'm talking about guides, not giant ebooks, not massive online courses, just simple PDF guides, 5 to 10 pages that solve one specific problem. Think of a guide as a shortcut. Instead of overwhelming your audience with everything you know, you take them from point A to point B faster and easier. For example, a 3-step method to validate a digital product idea, a checklist for Etsy sellers preparing for holiday sales, a quick start guide for freelancers landing their first client. These are small, direct, and powerful. And here's the beauty: you don't need to be an ultimate expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're helping. That's why guides are the perfect digital products for beginners. They're quick to make, easy to consume, and surprisingly profitable. C. Why this works for people over 40. Now, maybe you're watching this and thinking, Michael, I'm 35, 45, even 53. Is it too late? Absolutely not. In fact, the best thing about starting later is that you already have experience, decades of it. You've worked jobs, raised families, solved problems. And those problems you've solved, someone else is searching for that solution right now. I've worked with clients in their 40s and 50s who turned everyday knowledge into guides that sold. One woman created a 7-day reset meal plan for busy moms. Another turned her HR experience into a resume guide for career changers. Both were simple. Both sold. That's the power of combining your life experience with Make Money AI. AI helps you shape it, but your insight is the real gold. D. Choosing your topic. So how do you know what to write about? Here's a formula I use with my students: audience plus problem plus outcome. For example, for busy moms, a 3-day meal plan for picky eaters. For Etsy sellers, a checklist to boost Q4 sales. For freelancers, a 7-day plan to land your first client. Notice how specific these are. Not vague like how to start an online business, but laser focused. That's the difference between a guide that sits unread and a guide that makes sales. E. Structuring your guide. Let's say you've chosen your topic. Now what? Start with an intro, who it's for and what they'll learn. Walk through 3 of 5 simple steps. Add examples or templates. Give them a quick win or checklist. End with a call to action, whether that's joining your email list or booking a call. That's it. You don't need 50 pages. Shorter is better. Remember, clarity sells. F. How to create and deliver without design stress. And here's the part most beginners love. You don't need Canva, fancy slides, or complicated platforms. You can write your guide in Google Docs or Microsoft Word, export it as a PDF, and sell it through a simple checkout tool like Gumroad or StanStore. PDFs don't break. They don't need logins. Your customer gets it instantly and you're not stuck troubleshooting at midnight. One time, during a corporate project, I had to train hundreds of clients on a new system. At first, I tried to write everything into one huge manual. It was a nightmare. Then I broke it down into small, focused modules. Suddenly, it worked. People didn't need all the information. They needed the right information at the right time. That's exactly how guides work. G. Mistakes to avoid. Now, let me save you some heartache. The 3 mistakes I see all the time. Waiting until it's perfect before launching. Adding too much fluff and overwhelming the reader. Pricing it too low, don't sell a guide for $3. If it solves a painful problem, $27 is fair. Remember, done and helpful beats polished and never launched. H, where AI fits in. This is where it gets exciting. Make Money AI isn't just about creating something faster, it's about creating smarter. I use ChatGPT to brainstorm topics, draft outlines, and even refine titles so my guides get found. But here's the key. AI gives you the skeleton. You add the soul. One client of mine was a nurse. She used AI to draft a shift planner but added her lived experience about 12-hour shifts and recovery cycles. That's what made it stand out. So yes, AI accelerates you, but your story, your perspective, that's what makes your guide valuable. And when you combine both, you unlock a system that keeps working long after you hit publish. I. Selling and scaling with guides. Let's zoom out. You've created your first guide. What's next? Think of it as the seed of your online business. You can pair it with a lead magnet to grow your email list. Use email marketing to build trust and upsell. Repurpose parts of it into YouTube videos, blogs, or Pinterest posts. Every guide becomes an asset. And when you add more guides, your library grows. That's how you go from one small product to a steady stream of digital products for beginners and eventually to real passive income. And the best part? Once it's done, it keeps selling. That's the beauty of Make Money AI. You build once and it can keep working for you even while you sleep. So here's the lesson. Making money online doesn't have to be overwhelming. The easiest way in is through digital products for beginners. Simple, clear guides that solve one problem well. Pair them with Make Money AI and you unlock a way to create faster, sell smarter, and build something that lasts. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with one tool, one product, one experiment. A year from now, you might look back and say, that was the moment I chose to begin. Now I want to hear from you. If you were to start today, what guide would you create? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to read your ideas. And if this inspired you, like, share, and subscribe because your journey with Make Money AI and digital products for beginners is just beginning. And the next success story could be yours. Your free gift. Start smart, start right. Want to make money online, but don't know where to begin? Get this free ebook, From Zero to an Automated Money-Making Machine. It shows you how to understand affiliate marketing, no product needed, pick the right offers. Even as a complete beginner, build a simple system that sells 24/7. No ads, no tech, no overwhelm. Focus on mindset, action, results. With this guide, many people earn their first commission in just 7 days. You might doubt yourself, others might not believe in you, but once you see your first result, everything changes. Download it now and take your first step toward time freedom. If this video sparked something in you, a small glimpse of hope, a flicker of inspiration, or even just a quiet thought, maybe I could try this too. Then don't let it pass you by, not like all the other times. Hit that subscribe button so I can keep walking alongside you on this journey. I still have so much more to share, real stories, honest strategies, and practical steps that could help you move forward just a little more every single day. Leave me a comment. Tell me, where are you right now in your journey? I read every single one, truly. And if you feel this content is worth sharing, give it a like and send this video to a friend who might be searching for the same answers you are. Want a solid place to start? Don't skip this exclusive MMO guide I've personally curated and tested, not just for myself, but alongside hundreds of students who've seen real results. This 5-part resource is battle tested, no fluff, just action. Part 1, Free Gift Hacks. Start your MMO journey with zero cost. Discover how to get free gifts and vouchers in just a few simple steps. Part 2, Simple Side Hustles. Make money from your phone. Try flexible jobs like writing reviews, customer support, or posting on social media. Part 3, Foundations of Affiliate Marketing. Step-by-step training to build your first system. Perfect for beginners who want to start right. Part 4, Easy Wins with Tools and AI. Kickstart with optimized tools and AI tech for faster results. No complex skills needed. Part 5, Advanced Systems for Long-Term Income. For those ready to go serious, learn how to scale, build products, and market like a pro. This is your actionable, step-by-step guide, ready for you to dive in right after this video. These are proven learning paths, so you don't have to wander, don't have to fail the way I once did. You'll learn how to build a real system, create passive income online, even while you sleep, and most importantly, how to start without getting overwhelmed. Scan the QR code on the screen to download the guide, 100% free, no email required, or click the link below in the video description. It's right there, waiting to help you start a brand new chapter. I believe in you. You can do this. Just start today. See you in the next video or somewhere along your journey to freedom.